Now the welding begins. With thinner stainless steel, the laser welding maintained high speed and delivered a smooth, controlled seam.
The two we shall see it all side by side, and the difference is obvious. The laser ring is already started its third seam, while TIG is still midway through its first in the comparison video.
Exactly. And here's something important. When it comes to TIG welding thin sheets, there's a real risk of burning through the material if the operator isn't highly skilled. That's why TIG demands a lot of precision, training, and control.